it's me again, Ken Xavier, your virtual tour guide of day-to-day adventure. So here we are right now. We're gonna join the tournament here in Cebu, which is in Sogod, sponsored by the mayor. And with me today is the legendary Mr. Johnny Arcilia, right over there, and legendary of Maasin, Aluboy.
Welcome.
So the restaurant is the viewing deck, and this is like part of the of North Coast. Yeah, nice place. It's a decent place. They got nice rooms, and we just arrived here, and it's just 15 minutes before 1. So now we're just gonna have our lunch. Let's see how it goes later for our practice, and I'll update you. So guys, I'll see you later. Patay na yung mga awat to.
Warm up na. 30 minutes na ba? Alas 11. 30 minutes na. Mataya, alauna naman.
So we're heading to the tennis court now and go for a quick hit. It's already 3:20 right now, so it's quite hot, but I think this is the best time to hit there, because later we'll be already quite full. So still with me, Johnny A and Emil. Okay, so we're here at the tennis court, so you can see that they're cleaning here, because the Fiesta here in Sogod will be on the 25th, so that's why they're having a tournament around this place. Cool.
Pag nag-motor na dyan.
Asag sa motor.
And now, done with our warm-up, heading back to the hotel now. And look, very sweaty. And Johnny A over there.
Yeah. I like to swim, man.
Yeah, words. And that's Dale. I'll be playing Dale tomorrow. When we're not at the tennis court, ML boys on the move. Oh, seryoso na sila. Lolo.
Sasaling nilo eh.
Focus kayo ko ano? Probinsyano. Mag-updated kayo. Oo.
Saan pa? Hindi ko naman kasi Cardo. Sino? Armalet kalaban niya siya. Sundang ra.
Look who's here. We're on our second day of the tournament, and as you can hear me right now, I'm sick. I got a fever, I'm coughing, and I'm having colds. But I won my first round, and I played Johnny Arcilia on the quarterfinals, so I lost to him 8-2. And yesterday I already felt bad before we played. I already had a headache, and yeah, after that I had a fever. So earlier, even though I had a fever, still I played. We managed to pull through. I played doubles with RJ Abarquez, and RJ carried me all the way, so which is good. So yeah, stay tuned for updates. So there we go. Oh. Usa sa nga. Usa. Palit mi ko migo. Mungos ko kuan ha.
Balik tag kuan.
Unsa?
Kanang payong.
Ayora.
Clear naman naman.
Okay na ni. So this is the view here. It's a bit blurry because we came out from a cold room and this is North Coast Cebu here at Sogod. Nice place. Because we're gonna buy some fruits to get vitamins. But kikapoy ko. And my driver. Di maklaro. This is the outside of the viewing deck. This is part of the hotel too. So this is a nice place to hang out. Ferris wheel and the tennis court is over there.
Orange on that to. Good morning.
Ako raw sa ako. Ari dire, bakit maglipak ta dire?
Tinggal kayak dulu.
Game.
100